There's a big storm coming this way. I can see the lightning and everything. This is the Salt River tubing in Mesa, Arizona. Near Saguaro Lake. Look at those clouds. The mountains, so beautiful they look. There is. Rain a lot right now at the Salt River. Look at all this rain at the Salt River. Look at this, it's already getting flooded. The storm just came and everybody's running out of the river. They're all soaked. Some of them didn't have a chance to get out on time. Wow. They're hiding under the trees. They're trying to. Everybody is so. Whoa. Funny how if you push this button, it gives you the weather.
Adam Point Wash, South Fort Sheep Creek, Ruby River and Indian Spring Wash. Additional rainfall